afternoon, ma'am and sir. Do you have any reservation for today?
We don't have reservation. Can we dine in even though we don't have any reservation?
Yes, ma'am. May I have your name, please?
Miss Christine Dalian,
A table for how many, ma'am?
table for two.
Please have a seat while I'm checking the availability of tables. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sorry to keep you waiting, ma'am and sir. I will lead you to your table. This way, please. Are you fine with this table, ma'am and sir?
Yes, thank you.
Allow me, ma'am.
Mhm.
Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. I am Ishi Ramos, your birthday for today. May I now present our menu?
Yes.
Present our menu. Here's our menu. Do you want me to recommend our best sellers?
No thanks.
Alright, I'll be back after 5 minutes. May I now take your order?
Yes, we would like to have creamy mushroom soup, pan-seared salmon, and blue ocean mojito for drinks.
That would be all.
Yes.
May I repeat your order? You ordered creamy mushroom soup, pan-seared salmon, and blue ocean mojito.
Yes, you got it, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am and sir. I would like to inform you that your order will be served in 15 minutes. Do you need anything else?
None, thank you.
Okay, thank you for your patience. For a moment, may I now get our menu and set the table? Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Thank you again for your patience. Here's your order, ma'am, sir. Creamy mushroom soup. Pan-seared salmon. I'll be back for your drinks. Here's your blue ocean. If you need anything else, just call me. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am and sir. Are you done eating?
Yes.
May I now clear the table?
Sure.
Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am and sir. May I ask how will you settle your bill? Cash or credit?
Curly.
Alright. I see your credit card. Here's your receipt and your credit. Thank you for dining with us. We hope to see you again.